Welcome to the show. You know what show I shoot right now? Jamaica Good Life. You see me and you're one of the stars. Nicolas, how you doing?
Doing okay, man.
You look fresh, you know. What's going on with you, man? Where you eat?
You not the man. Germany, we just land from there. Yeah.
Germany?
Yeah, man. We got Germany for
How long?
3 weeks and come back and so.
Yeah? You have a white girlfriend?
No.
So what you do for your living?
Well, actually, hotel, working in a hotel. We used to work at Shields and something.
This one looking at me.
Yeah, man. The man look fresh, man. He look like say my gallus, you know. So I go to the club and have a good life. Because I shoot a show him Jamaica Good Life.
Alright, nice.
You drink coffee?
No, I'm not a big fan, you know.
So you don't want a coffee then?
You drink coffee? No, me no.
You a screamer? You a screamer?
No. Me just want some Milo.
Just want a creamer and Milo. Creamer is a milk thing. It's a low fat. No, it's not like condensed milk.
Me try to stay off of everything cream. Me go straight, you know. You want it, you want it?
No, man. I'm a good man.
No, because... Oh, you
want
Look
it?
up the Milo for him. You say you want a Milo.
because it's smaller, so I just want to taste it.
How about you make it?
So yeah, we're
gonna use
gonna
me.
look some domino and...
Yeah, man, no problem, man. No problem, man.
Alright. I'm just want cooking when you're not rich there. If it's available.
Me here say you're the wicked one.
Yeah, man, that's it.
Invite me. I think some in daddy. I saw me in daddy.
Okay. Yeah. So if you go with the chef, pick up what you want so you can introduce something to the world.
So what we cook basically, like rice and chicken.
Chicken and all that.
So anything you need to make it Jamaican representation, because you're the big chef.
Yeah, man.
Because you're the thing. When the people them see you cooking, them say, yo, this is a
Yeah,
real.
man,
And we go to the beach too, you know.
yeah.
All away, you know.
Yeah, man.
She all put on her bikini and thing.
Hold on. For the blend now. You say you blend.
You have a blender?
You blend, you say. Take up on what's there.
Alright, can we have some dragon, you know?
No, not talk like that. Yeah, why not?
Sure. It's a river.
Not
I
too
want a
small.
big one.
Alright, talk up.
So give me a pack of Cersei. We need a pack of Cersei.
One free offer.
This one, when they made the pan special.
Then so done.
So I want you to introduce the world to Jamaican food and style and stuff. And come by the place after, you know. Link with me.
Man, you can cook us some ackee and saltfish there, man.
Yeah, man.
Real Jamaican.
Anything you want.
Nah, one of them then. What to do?
The course. Like big course one.
The first one was to that.
Fine enough.
Yeah, they make fine. Look up to them.
No, three better. Three better.
Where you blend it with?
So we're going to build some dragon, right? We need some tin milk, condensed milk.
Condensed milk and suck.
You have nutmeg, right?
Yeah,
We can
one
get
more.
that there. You have one?
And we need some ripe plantain. Make my back strong.
You want to take up the coconut? You want some coconut milk?
Take up on ketchup.
What's your name again?
Nicolas.
Nicolas, don't let down Jamaica, you know. Are you we are put up front, you know.
Nicolas, what I want to use or Maggie?
Put it on there. Take up on ketchup.
How much time we cook?
Put
Hey,
it on there 1 month, you say, so put it on
But
there.
that's almost 1 month to do.
You know, I do no more shopping.
You see or not?
Yeah. I shop out in life, you say, I do no more shopping.
Condensed milk. Down the line. So that we're in there right next to it.
I want peas.
Yeah.
you call the right man.
Come on.
Me like Nendisha, but him a the real chef.
Where's the real chef?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Take
Look
up.
here. Where you take up your breakfast and sit when you're at home?
Breakfast, me no eat out of can in a breakfast.
Anything like you're home in the day.
Mackerel. What is it
You
mackerel?
want mackerel.
I want the little slim one. The little slim one. Them one, yeah.
That one now.
Them one, yeah, man.
You want the hot one too?
Grace classic.
They are
Yeah,
hot.
man.
I'm gonna cook them with white rice. Enough avocado.
That one the crash. No, look here, girl. You can't take off one brand, take off one type.
No, me I mix them. Me I mix three hot.
Alice, share this.
Yeah.
In Bully,
Okay,
everybody.
okay.
Everybody in Bully.
All that take off. All that take off. Actually, it's your side.
I get some sardine.
original one.
More sardine in the water. That original?
Yeah. In the water or oil?
Oh, yeah, oil.
Orange, yeah. How much you want?
Just give me 5.
5 can go 6.
Okay.
It's at when you go 3, 6, it's very cheaper.
Okay. Oh, you have ketchup at yard?
Yeah, we have ketchup on each other.
Oh, them have guava jelly, Lord God. Whoa, you did know. Guava jelly in the belly. Yes, let me get 2 of this. I have to get some hot bread, one of them there, yeah, I know.
Peas.
Hey.
First thing I want peas.
Peas.
Coconut powder already.
You take a pippies?
When we go up inside, I think what we said. Alright, done. So we're going.
Yeah, man, we do it right. Jamaica Good Life. See that? I saw Jamaican live. Yeah, man, salt mackerel, banana and things.
Nick, get to the salt mackerel too. Yeah, get to the salt mackerel too. Yeah.
See him there? The man in charge, you know. The man the boss. Respect my father. Yeah, man. One more one piece of the tissue for wipe off my head. Hot.
Put in the bottom.
So today what day?
Today the 20th.
So cooking start tonight, you know?
I want to cook tonight.
You where I cook tonight? Same thing, sir. Same thing,
Look,
sir.
I take up one paper plate.
Nadisha. What I'm thinking?
Can't cook enough.
Him can cook? So Bunny skeleton look good enough. You might need some cabbage, right?
Cabbage.
You might need some cabbage.
Make what? Salad. Steamed
Some
vegetable or salad.
carrot. See me?
What I want to make?
Eh?
What I want to make?
Jamaica Good Life, season 1. Alright, so what do you want next? We good? You want paper plate? So I go play some serious music, you know.
Take up 25 compound. Two compound.
Box I use?
Take the box then. I like that neck. I like that neck compound.
Are the good egg? Alright, put you on this. You get 2 now. I go make egg in the morning.
Sunny side egg.
So what time you work?
Me? In a row. So if you want to hire me as a personal chef.
You know, I show my lad.
Alright, so we have
Where's saltfish?
Yeah, saltfish or something. This is my people, so. I make some rundown with coconut.
Yeah, that sounds good tonight.
You want them tonight? No problem. What you want to? Rundown. Oh, easy.
I use something like that.
I like that you tell him. I respect you, you see. I'm on, yeah.
Just the hardest one boy is my
So who teach you for cook?
Me? Saint Him come from, man.
What?
Saint Him can cook. Saint Elizabeth.
So nobody never really teach you.
Well, on a serious note, when I go to the hotel, I work at Shields, me actually being around some other chefs. So me kind of have a more, understanding of some of the other foods and the eggs and
You know,
bacons and all
after this show being broadcast all over the world, a lot of big hotels gonna want to call you.
No problem.
So you have to put your best effort out. All right. We good, guys? Team? Are we? What happened?
No,
The
man,
egg-
what I'm saying. Bought by the Chinese store.
China store.
30 eggs. One of those.
No, it's the man road we get 5. Today was Saturday.
One of those, we get like around $700 or $800.
Okay.
Yeah? This is just 12 eggs.
All right. This is good. So, good financial sense.
Yeah.
Yeah. Good financial sense.
Might as well cook it.
In Jamaica, you have to learn. In Jamaica, we actually can negotiate prices.
And you have to learn how to do that.
Have to learn how to
What's
do
one
that.
of your strategy? Like what do you say when you approach someone?
To approach someone?
Yeah, to negotiate. How do you?
Actually, if I'm selling, I have to give the biggest price, the largest price, right? And then if I'm buying, I make sure that I look around and make sure that if I come in here, I make sure that I come here, then I go to a Chinese to compare because China is taking over the world. So the Chinese is much cheaper.
Oh,
Chicken.
At all times.
all right.
What
Eh?
chicken say about?
I want this.
What chicken about?
Let him get that.
Yeah, this is about the yam. See this
So
about the yam?
get 2 pack of the big one now. Get 2 pack of the big one now.
You want the bone chicken or the? Alright,
We need some chicken back, you know. Them some chicken back.
Hearing? I win
And then you don't want the whole chicken or the mixed part.
The mixed part's easy, you know. I'm gonna have to cut up chicken again. So look at my chef knife. I'm making a knife from Germany. Yeah.
So what were you
The
doing?
best knives are in
What
Germany.
the knife there?
There is where the first set of knives started.
Low battery, Lord God. So now, why did you go to Germany?
Germany, I went there because working in the hotel industry, I realized that I actually deal with most Germans. So I wanted to know about the language, about the culture. So I did it because of my own interest.
How old are you?
I'm just 25 years old.
Good. You seem like you're gonna be a big star. I mean, in your life. You have family, kids.
No kids. Family.
You have you have a lady.
Yes, I have a girl.
You have.
But
You
no
gonna
kids.
engage?
No, not yet.
You don't
hope so
love. You
soon.
superly love her,
Yes.
and you say that so she could see that.
Yes.
A big,
I won't disclose her name.
yeah, a big star.
Not yet.
Big star. That's enough. But no, they put it in already. The yam them kind of look low me old. Oh, the onion them look like so them never eat no food. And the banana them look lonely too.
So this is a yam. You have yellow yam, white yam, all type of yam.
Yeah.
They have different names still.
Well,
So, yeah,
it's
when
such an honor to have a real chef at the
ackee and
house.
saltfish, you know, say go with your banana,
Yeah.
your yam same way, sweet potato.
Yeah.
See it?
Yeah.
A piece of pear over
But
the
these
same
look pretty
way.
lonely.
Let me giant out there now, man. Come on, yeah, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
All right, we're rolling. Anything else, guys? We're good. Are you happy?
I'm not checking. I look like I'm more mixed part.
What? Oh, okay.
And since you are here now, we'll talk patois. You have to learn patois now, Jamaica area.
Alright.
Understand?
I don't know.
Alright.
I switch it up whenever I want. You know what I say?
I find one. Nick, no more mixed part. I'm going back.
All right, Nick, man. Nick good. Nick good. And you got
No, he's saying about you we know competition.
you're good, man. Hey, Soja, come over now. That's not good enough. Just get another one of these. We don't get no chicken back. All right, season 1. This is season 1, Jamaica Good Life, starring Nick, Trusty name though, Trusty name, yeah, I can't trust it, and Nedisha, and wait, your boyfriend is? Bunny, he might come too, and Soja, and O'Neill, and Porky, a big show, you know, we're not famous now, you know, Lord God. We got, paper towel. You're gonna need some towel, right? Just get it now, man. So yeah. Alright, wicked. Loving the good life. You know what I'm saying? You only live once, you know. You have to enjoy yourself, you know? And the people of the world are really You see, when we want to convey to the people, right? Every time you hear people online, them say they don't want to live in Jamaica, they don't go back home. What we going to do? Because we're promoting Jamaica good. We hear so much bad about Jamaica.
Because that's what people mostly stick to in everybody now.
Yeah.
And the good just secretly hide away. You know? We're gonna show them what I want.
But yeah, man, I mean, this is my passion. My passion is to, I'm tired of Jamaica get the bad.
Yeah, bad.
So if we keep saying good enough, and the people them see the film,
Yeah,
how
man.
good them with it. You see what I'm saying?
A real vibes.
Change the vibe.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, me have a soap on my hand. Me use half fight, you know. Me save for it. Me want to wash my foot. Yeah, I could get some rum. Let me get some Hennessy too. Give me a buckle of Appleton and a buckle of rum. You have an Hennessy? You don't have an Hennessy? Eh? I'm gonna live, I'm gonna laugh. Enjoy my life. Get the big one, man. Look, oh, big people, you know, see me big man. Yeah, man, get the big man. I live on the once in my life. Yeah, I know people come over to you know, and they love to drink too. And they dish in the house. And you know, say they're on YouTube now. You know, say on YouTube they're on now. All over the world, you know, what's your name? What's your name? You need to come on my church, because your cross too small. You get your bigger cross. Hey, guava, I love guava. You can't make guava?
No, make it yet. No, make it yet.
Never make it yet? Hey, push it down for her, because she not stretching out. This girl that not stretching out. She not do nothing for nobody, you know.
Yeah, man, let's do the other one.
This what man do. Where you grew up? Yes, sir?
West. Ginger.
No, we produce a show called Jamaica Good Life. Because everybody abroad has a talk about bad things. Oh, you see that? She said, me like her, you know. She have a man. She have a man.
You couldn't tell her that, you know.
Okay.
You have to tell her that.
So people abroad always talk about Jamaica. What you have to say to them? Set them right.
They don't know what we're good, you know. People always like Jamaica because we're always nice. Nobody never run a friend like we don't.
Hey, Trusty, you know, so sometimes if you laugh too much, you know, them days that people don't like you.
Yeah, man, they say I idiot.
If you're happy.
They say I little idiot.
So
They
this
don't understand.
is how them.
It's serious in a hurt. So they say, I'm a monkey before time. Me and some friend, them put them job home from like a donkey. And things say, serious up. I hate. And sick. You laugh on your whole place, man. Tell him, say me I idiot.
That's what I'm do. Some more time. Him tell me, say, when you're in this town or a certain town, when you just laugh.
Yeah, man, people say I idiot, man. You can't go certain place and laugh. Laugh.
Why is that?
Because some place a serious place. Obviously.
Wow. All right, we stop it now. To the expensive car, I saw we life good. Nedisha. Trusty. Him no name Crusty, him name Trusty. Oh yes, Jamaica Good Life. See the good car there? And we have good music.
Yeah.
And oh wait there, remember say we have got to tape that up.
No man, this is going to change. But
We're going to change that.
We're going to change, but we don't have time to change that now.
We don't have time to change, that's why we don't change it yet.
We're going to change that now.
Yeah. The winner them still roll up automatically?
Yeah, man, all of them can move.
Good, good. Every
move.
building can move. It's a turn. Yeah.
The wind can move.
Yeah man, that's how we living now. Now watch no face where I live good.
Yeah. And peace of life.
We can do it best, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah,
When
man.
we best is good enough, you know.
So, Nadisha, what you expect from the show?
I don't know yet. My head hurt me.
Why your head hurt you? You eat nothing today?
Yes, I eat.
Why you have frequent headaches?
Eh?
Frequent headaches.
Yeah, sometimes.
She have migraine, man.
You get stressed
Remember
out?
to me tell you that already? Eh? No, I'm not stressed right now.
Well, this a video, yeah. Want if you empower
I'm not
people.
stressed now.
Want this empower people to know the reality about Jamaica. Apart from the crime and the little violence and something.
Yeah.
There are hidden treasures, there are hidden foods that most people don't know about and something. And I hope this video will go viral and people will see, you know.
Blessings.
Where say I had like tonight?
Look,
Grab the pick up some fresh vegetables.
This sea is unlike any other sea.
Yeah, catch from him.
tell me about Negril.
I went to Germany and the sea actually,
Cash money.
the river is cold.
Didn't Nadisha have the cash?
US.
It's
Yeah,
crazy.
No, Johnny was
Jamaican
there.
cash. Yeah, Jamaican cash.
Jamaica is the best,
Them have
man.
a place to change it.
You change the US? No.
You
Jamaica
can do
is the
that.
best.
There's a little place right at the corner, change it for 125. See Jamaica them on there.
127 you can get it for
127.
Which one? No, 125.
Right just at 127.
No, it's price drop. Rate drop.
Okay.
Last time we checked,
125.
So we're shooting in Negril right now. So now, any violence around here? Much shoot
No,
up, shoot up?
not much violence. Not much violence.
What is Negril known for?
See,
The ocean.
beach, yeah.
Yeah.
And the weed.
Tourism.
And tourism overall.
Tourism.
Tourism.
Yeah, tourism overall.
So you've been in Negril for all your
4
life?
years.
Fuck is that
Can't
it?
be here, so.
You got camera now?
No, that you say. Which camera you
So
say
we
I
will change
change?
the money. You can't change up a China man.
What you say I change?
Money change up a China man with a red sun.
No, but
You
then
give a good rate.
two better than about the egg down there, so.
Hold on, man. We don't can buy egg in a day too.
Alright.
Go a red sun and change the money.
Anything
China
you
man
wanna say.
change the money.
Anything on the
I'll
side.
stop you.
It's nice, you know, mother live here, sir, you know. The vibe good, you know.
Buy the house.
What house?
The house in Medina.
When we get rich from the show, yeah, we will buy a mansion. You understand?
Alright.
How was that, sir?
This is season 1, you know.
How was that, sir?
Tell me no.
Seems like something happened to her.
This is season 1, you know. Things say them go crazy for season 2, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yo, come on, get camera on this, yeah?
Something happened to her.
Something like not there, son.
So the people that run here peaceful just go out them business and live life.
Most likely, you
Yeah,
know.
for work, you know, this society is a working society. You know?
Can be a lock, you know.
Yeah.
It's a
Can be
working
lucky, you know.
society.
See, somebody goes come out there, can be on
Can be a lock.
I don't see second yet.
Can be a lock.
Somebody go out there.
Can be a lock. See good job there.
Where you John?
What I do still up in this thing.
No, man, the one look apart because one side I don't want.
Oh, to which is somebody come out there.
Yeah, because when the people in there come out. So can be a lock, we get left.
But me, I go do the rundown back, the rundown for him and something. Now that you want, daddy?
So what you need?
I want some sweet and basket. That's what we want.
What we stay, sir?
So we can buy the market. Sweet pepper, onion and garlic and all this.
I bet you can get the change.
We go for China.
Yeah. But no, Chinese changing or not.
Okay.
I try to come back and say, well,
Okay.
They work for Jelly, haven't they?
Beautiful people all over the place.
You're down there for
Are you still going here, sir?
We don't
have the alternative road.
We don't have much ice.
go through
Red gum. I go to a red gum. We don't have much ice,
Go
man.
lose there, come down.
Hey boy, why are you no boy? You know, say for wait.
No, why them call you Python?
You know, this is a nickname from construction days.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. When we were doing construction, where the guys just call me Python, so that's my new name. So, just stick from me from that, you know.
So Nadisha, tell us about your life, where you grew up.
I tell you that already.
Tell the people
I am
then.
from St. Elizabeth.
Where?
Old Savannah, St. Elizabeth.
Your mother used to beat you with broomstick?
No. I was one of the best behaving young girls growing up in most of the city. Haven't get daddy beaten from mommy and daddy.
Arrest
Not at all.
accident.
Not
Accident
at all.
happened right
right?
at us.
Not at all?
No.
What was your favorite food growing up?
Food?
Yeah.
Oh, I love my sweet cassava, you know.
Sweet cassava?
Yeah.
Sweet cassava?
Yeah.
You have a sour one and a sweet one?
Yeah, this
bitter
one make bommy.
Oh.
Like a bitter cassava.
Bitter
The
one.
sweet one you cook and
The
eat.
bitter one, if you eat the bitter one, and if you cook the bitter one and eat it, they say it swell you.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I put you in accident.
Accident.
I
Some
never know.
I
accident.
put you there, I never put you.
Some accident too.
I'm accident.
When you do something there, when you can't beat it and do it, you must see all I am.
Now, people say Jamaicans are like Nigerian, a little bit aggressive. What do you guys say about that?
Yeah, that is so true. That is so true.
Jamaicans are like Nigerians.
Yeah, man.
See,
Aggressive
first time
part.
I could say first have skill and I snatch your car around. Take you out.
We are very much aggressive.
Do you think Jamaicans have a problem focusing on one thing?
I
You
don't
have
think so.
multiple focuses.
I don't think so.
Multitasking.
Yeah, we can be multitasking. You don't put that truck, you have to go find faster yet.
See, first time
You see truck, you don't see him.
you want people like your car do?
They know so much better than buy one new car. Give me.
Buy the pair of them? Any of them rice?
Yes.
Respect.
Respect.
Why the people
Because we are best.